Hello friends and welcome back to the another video of Frame Phonetics. Well, today I am going to discuss with you about these three idioms. Okay, these three idioms are very common in British English. Okay, and if you will add these in your daily routine, you will definitely going to improve your English speaking skills. Yes, they sound so well and their meaning is very wonderful. So without wasting time, let's understand each and every aspect of these idioms. So let's go. The phrase zero in typically means to focus intently on something, often after refining or adjusting your approach. It comes from the context of adjusting the aim of a weapon or device to ensure it accurately hits the target. Here are a few examples of how zero in might be used. Literal sense, aiming, the sniper took a deep breath and zeroed in on the target. Figurative sense, focusing attention, after several brainstorming sessions, the team finally zeroed in on a solution to the problem. So I hope you understood this particular idiom, zeroed in. It's quite a simple one. Okay, it means to concentrate and to focus on your target, and just like an archer who focuses on his target and hits the bullseye. Okay, so let's move to the another idiom. The phrase by a long chalk is a British idiom that means by a large margin or by far. It's used to emphasize that one thing is much greater or significantly different than another. The phrase originates from the practice of using chalk to keep score in pub games like darts or billiards, where a long chalk would indicate a large score. For example, she's the best player on the team by a long chalk. The new movie is better than the last one by a long chalk. Quite a wonderful idiom, by a long chalk. Okay, it's very simple, again it's very simply means that when you have a larger margin or something which is very superior and greater than before. Okay, when you get something to the extent of stretching the boundaries. Okay, when you stretch the boundaries, so by a long chalk. Please do use it in your daily routine. It will definitely pleasing for the listeners. Well, let's move to the next idiom. The phrase a far cry from means that something is very different from something else, often implying that the two things are almost opposite in quality, nature, or condition. It suggests that there is a significant distance or gap between the two things being compared. For example, the new restaurant is a far cry from the old one, meaning the new restaurant is very different from the old one, possibly in quality, style, or atmosphere. Living in the city is a far cry from living in the countryside, meaning life in the city is very different from life in the countryside. It's often used to emphasize how much something has changed or how different two things are. We are with the last idiom, that is far cry from. Very simple to understand. It means opposite to something, in terms of nature, in terms of values, in terms of conditions, right? So far cry from. So please do use this idiom and include in your daily routine. It will definitely be wonderful for your listeners. So I hope you have understood all these three idioms in today's section. I will definitely going to upload some more videos on idioms. So till then, you please follow them and take care. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, be happy, and Jai Hind.